Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the place where we turn architectural dreams into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we are exploring one of the most iconic architectural movements in history, the mid-century modern house. At its core, this style emerged in the mid-20th century, roughly between the 1940s and late 1960s. It is characterized by clean lines, a marriage of indoor and outdoor spaces, and a form follows function philosophy. While many people associate this era with sprawling ranch-style homes, the variation allowed architects to maximize living space on smaller footprints while playing with verticality, floor-to-ceiling windows, and dramatic roof lines that seem to defy gravity. The benefits of living in a mid-century modern home go far beyond mere aesthetics. One of the primary advantages is the abundance of natural light. These homes were designed with massive windows and open floor plans that allow sunlight to penetrate deep into the living spaces, boosting mood and energy efficiency. Additionally, the layout provides a clear separation between social areas, like the kitchen and living room on the main floor, and private sanctuaries, such as bedrooms on the upper level. This architectural style also focuses on organic integration, meaning the house is designed to complement its natural surroundings rather than clash with them, providing a serene and balanced living environment that feels both sophisticated and cozy. To make your mid-century modern house exterior truly shine, you must embrace the principle of understated elegance. Start by highlighting the architectural lines of the building with a sophisticated color palette. Think earthy neutrals like charcoal, warm cedar, and crisp white. Incorporating natural materials is key. Adding wood slat accents, stone veneer, or large format concrete tiles can instantly elevate the texture of your home. Don't forget the lighting. Low profile, geometric wall sconces, or recessed LED strips under the eaves can emphasize the home silhouette at night. Finally, keep your landscaping structured but lush, using ornamental grasses, agaves, and clean-cut garden beds that mimic the home's linear geometry. The best exterior styles for these homes often revolve around the contrast between heavy and light elements. You will frequently see cantilevered upper floors that appear to float over the ground level, creating a sense of weightlessness and providing shaded patio space below. Another popular style involves the use of mixed media facades, where large glass panels are framed by bold black steel beams and warm timber cladding. This creates a rhythmic visual appeal that is both industrial and inviting. Asymmetrical roof lines, such as shed roofs or butterfly roofs, are also hallmark styles that provide a unique, avant-garde look while allowing for high-set clear-story windows that offer privacy without sacrificing daylight. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. Let's walk through the top 10 best mid-century modern house ideas and pull out the best design elements from each one. One, the geometric slate masterpiece. This design showcases a bold use of dark slate gray panels, contrasted against warm wooden under eaves. The multi-tiered concrete retaining walls create a sophisticated entry path, while the massive glass windows on the upper floor offer a panoramic view of the neighborhood. The sharp, angular roofline gives this home an unmistakably modern edge. 2. Contemporary linear luxury. A stunning example of horizontal emphasis, this home features crisp white stucco paired with vertical wood siding. The glass-railed balcony on the second floor serves as a seamless extension of the interior, while the integrated dark garage door keeps the focus on the beautiful architectural layers above. 3. The warm glow pavilion. This house excels at evening ambience, utilizing warm internal lighting and external spotlights to highlight its stone-textured walls and slatted wood accents. The wide, sweeping roof provides a protective canopy, creating a cozy and inviting entryway that feels like a high-end retreat. 4. The multi-texture angular retreat. Featuring a dynamic mix of cedar wood, gray stone, and white siding, this home is a lesson in texture. The asymmetrical roof segments and large, uniquely shaped windows create a playful yet professional aesthetic, perfectly suited for a family that loves modern artistic flair. 5. The sleek single-slope sanctuary. This minimalist design uses a sharp, single-pitch roof to create a sense of height and drama. The combination of dark metal accents and warm wood siding is classic mid-century, while the drought-resistant landscaping with large boulders completes the organic modern look. 6. The Forest Edge Entertainment Hub. This gem features an incredible outdoor living space on the ground floor, protected by the overhang of the second story. With floor-to-ceiling glass doors, the transition between the kitchen and the patio is almost invisible, making it the ultimate home for hosting summer gatherings. 7. The Industrial Mixed Material Manor. Combining corrugated metal siding with traditional wood and white plaster, this home feels both rugged and refined. The prominent chimney stack adds a vertical anchor to the design, while the large windows ensure the interior is flooded with light regardless of the weather. 8. The Stacked Stone Statement. A beautiful stone pillar serves as the central focal point of this home, grounding the airy glass and steel elements. The recessed entrance and second-story overhang provide depth and shadows that change throughout the day, giving the house a living, breathing quality. 9. The wide-format glass pavilion. This sprawling design maximizes every inch of its facade with glass. The dark wooden cladding provides a rich, organic warmth, while the tiered garden beds and concrete stairs lead the eye toward the expansive outdoor lounging areas that perfectly mirror the indoor luxury. 10. The Moody Midnight Minimalist. Breaking the mold with a deep navy or black brick exterior, this home uses a bright yellow door to create a pop of personality. The large, black-framed windows and the extended carport offer a sleek, low-profile look that sits beautifully among tall, lush trees. Designing or living in a mid-century modern house is about more than just a trend. It is about appreciating a legacy of thoughtful design that prioritizes the human experience. Whether you are looking to renovate an original 1950s gem or building a new home inspired by these timeless principles, focusing on clean lines, natural light, and high-quality materials will ensure your home remains stylish for decades to come. If you enjoyed this deep dive into mid-century architecture, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more daily inspiration. Which of the 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss a new tour. Would you like me to create a breakdown of the best interior furniture for these types of homes next? Let me know.